everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Francois, and today I will be showing you how to make Pikliz. Pikliz is a condiment in Haitian cuisine made of cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, onions, habanero peppers, which is hot peppers, crushed fresh garlic, and my dry ingredients here. I have my lime juice mixed with white vinegar and apple cider vinegar. Let's get cooking. 2 ways to cut your cabbage to get this shape. The first way, you use a knife. Make sure it is sharp, and that's what you get with your knife. Cut them very thin, and you can use a grater to get to this result. And it's gonna go faster with the grater, of course. And this is how you hold it. You use the bigger part here, okay? And you go like this. It will take you less time using a grater than the knife. And this is the result right here when you use a grater, and this is the result when you use a knife. I am an old-fashioned person, so I still use the knife to cut my cabbage, but you choose which one works better for you. Okay, first thing first, we're going to mix our lime juice with our dry ingredients. Go ahead and mix it up very well. I have my sea salt, a little bit of Lawry's powder, and Maggie in there, and then I'm mixing my crushed fresh garlic. It's really good for you, really good for the body. And I'm going to mix my habanero pepper. What I did, I soaked it up with a little bit of lime juice earlier. Same thing for the garlic, and you mix it up. Then you pour it on the cabbage. And I'm using 2 big forks here to kind of mix everything together. Just be gentle and have a big kind of big container to do that. Kind of turn it around, stir it up so everything get mixed up together before we add the other ingredient. Next, we're going to add our onion, sliced onion. You can see they are very thin. Try to use a sharp knife so you can cut them this way. And you use both forks and try to mix it up again. The same thing you did with your liquid. You keep mixing it up. So it takes a little bit of time. Just be patient. You're gonna love it. It's gonna taste good and look good. So take your time and kind of mix it up. Make sure the onion is distributed everywhere before you add the other ingredients, okay? So now next we're going to mix the carrots. So go ahead and pour everything on your cabbage and do the same, repeat the same process with your forks. Then go ahead and mix it up. Like I said, it's gonna take a little bit of time to mix everything up, and the result will be worth it, okay? Keep mixing it up. So now next we're going to add our bell peppers. Oops, I'm losing a piece here. I'm using 2 different colors here. We have the orange bell pepper and the green one, as you can see. Now we're going to add it and do the same thing. Just repeat the process. We're almost there. We're getting there. It's looking good. Look at that, look at the color. So you keep mixing it, that's all you do. And the acidity is pretty much cooking everything together. It's so beautiful to watch. The cabbage is cooking, everything is cooking together. And our last item to add is the red bell pepper. So let's just pour it. It's the last one. And you pretty much repeat the process for the last time. It might take you a little bit. I would say the best thing is to wash your cabbage, all your peppers, cabbage, carrots, and onion. Wash everything the day before. That way you don't have to spend a lot of time making it. And try to cut them early in the morning, cut everything together. Then later on you can have everything ready to make your pickles. I just love making that. The acidity is cooking the cabbage, the onion, the pepper. It looks so good. It looks so good. I just love it, and it smells good too. If you don't like a lot of spicy, like hot food, you don't have to add the hot peppers, but you can add the sweet peppers, but not the hot one. If you don't like hot spicy food, just take it out. You don't have to. But for the people who like hot food like me, definitely you gotta use your habanero peppers, your hot peppers. It makes a difference. This condiment, it's so good. Haitian people loves it a lot. Not only Haitian people, everybody who tastes this condiment pretty much likes it. I have many friends who are not from Haiti. I have to make it for them just because they love it, and I enjoy doing it. So go ahead and try that. I will have all the ingredients in the descriptions for you. Go ahead and comment. Leave me a comment. Go ahead and try this and make it, and let me know how it turned out for you. Any questions you have, please go ahead and put it in the comment sections, and I will get back to you. Voila, our pickles is ready. It's all mixed and it tastes good. It smells good. The best way to preserve your pickles, you will need to either put it in a drawer. You can use the mason drawers. Either one will work, but make sure it's tied up. There's no air going in. Or you can get a container with a lid that tight really well. Don't leave any air in, because you want that acidity to keep working in the cabbage and carrots and the bell peppers, just for the taste to come together. The more you leave it to rest, the better it's going to taste. Thank you for watching, and remember, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. I will see you on the next one. Bon appetit!